Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to study social studies, and the topic that we are going to study today is transport. When you are going to school, you take a school bus, or you go to school by car, or a motorbike, or a public transport. All these carriers which take you from one place to another are known as means or modes of transport. Transport means going from one place to another in a vehicle. There are three modes of transport: land, water, and air. Let's look at the land transport first. When you travel on land, you use roads or special tracks for special vehicles. Let's see which vehicles we can use when we want to travel on land. On the roads, you can use scooter, a motorcycle, or a bicycle. You must have seen this land transport vehicle very often. What is this? Yes, a rickshaw. Many people use tricycles to carry loads from one place to another by road. When you come to school in the morning, either you use your car to transport yourself from your house to the school, or you use the school bus which picks you from your home and drops you at school. And you all know that the school bus travels on road, so it's a land transport. Now, when you want to go from one city to another, you often travel by train. Trains move on special tracks placed on the roads called railway tracks or train tracks. When heavy loads have to be carried from one place to another by road through land transport, then huge trucks are used. Now let's see how you can travel through water, the other mode of transport. If you want to go somewhere by sea, you cannot use a car to travel in the sea, as car is a land transport. So you have to use a mode of transport that can take you from one place to another through the sea. These are called water transport. Now let's see what kind of transport can be used in water. The first one is a boat. Boats are small water crafts used when you want to travel through rivers or lakes. If you want to travel through an ocean when going from one country to the other, then large carriers are used and they are called ships. Ships are very huge in size and they can hold many people, even many small boats in them. This is a yacht. These are used for pleasure cruises when you just want to go and explore the sea for fun, and also for races carried out in the sea. Ooh, now what is this? This is a submarine. Submarines are boats that go completely under the water in deep oceans. Submarines are used to study underwater life and also used by the Navy to defend the coastal boundaries of a country during war. Did you know that submarines can stay underwater for many hours and weeks even for 6 months. Now let's see what kinds of transport we can see in the air. Air transport is used when you fly from one place to another using a carrier that can fly in the air. You must have seen this. Yes, an airplane. The most common air transport used to travel from one place to another. This is a helicopter. Have you ever seen a helicopter? Helicopters are used to travel short distances in air at low heights and also to travel by air to those places where airplanes cannot go. Now, let's see what other things we have seen in the air which are used as a mode of transport. The hot air balloon. It carries people from one place to another using the heat from the fire. You must all be familiar with this. Yes, it's a rocket, which is used to travel from the earth to the space. The next one is a fighter plane. Fighter planes are specially designed to be used during wartime by the Air Force. This is a glider. Gliders work without an engine. They simply use the force of the air to move. They are mostly used for free flights. So students, today we studied the three different modes of transport, that is, the land transport, the air transport, and the water transport, and the different vehicles used for them. See you soon with the next lesson. Bye.